So hey guys, my name is Mukhi Verman and I'm here to talk about how to impress an HR. Impressing an HR profession involves presenting yourself and your value that you are a qualified and evaluated candidate, and during the job application or in an interview process. First of all, we need to customize our resume or our cover letter for a specific job that you are applying for. We need to highlight our relevant skills, experience and achievements and align with the job requirement. And then we need to research the company as we have said before. And then we need to have tweak professional appearance. Then we need to customize, showcase our skills. We need to be prepared for to discuss the skills and experiences in detail. And then we need to have a positive attitude. We need to approach interactions with HR and in a positive and enthusiastic manner. Then we need to have effective communication. Communicate clearly and confidently during interviews and any written correspondence. Then we need to highlight our accomplishments, focus on achievements and how they can add value, how we can add value to the company. And we need to be punctual and respectful, emphasize your ability of we need to show respect for HR professions, and we need to show interest in the company's culture, highlight how your values and you are aligned with the company's culture. We can fit in the company. And then we need to follow up. We need to send a thank you email after the interview, and we expressing that we are gratitude for the opportunity and interest in the position. We need to provide references, offer strong and relevant reference who can speak positively about your work and ethics and skills. And we need to remember that impressing HR is about presenting yourself as a very qualified and enthusiastic candidate. So we need to be genuine and confident and professional throughout the process. So thank you.